Etoro or TD Ameritrade, which is better in 2026? Both are well-known investing platforms, but they are built for different types of investors. Choosing the wrong one could mean missing advanced tools or paying for features you don't actually use. First, let's talk about Etoro. It's a beginner-friendly investing platform focused on simplicity and social trading. It allows you to invest in stocks, ETFs, crypto, and CFDs, and also copy experienced traders using CopyTrader. It's designed to make investing easy and accessible, especially for beginners. Now let's look at TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is a more advanced trading platform built for serious investors. It offers powerful research tools, advanced charting, options trading, retirement accounts, and deep market analysis through platforms like Thinkorswim. The biggest difference is depth versus simplicity. eToro focuses on easy investing and social trading. TD Ameritrade focuses on advanced tools, research, and professional level trading features. So which one is better? If you're a beginner who wants an easy platform and copy trading features, eToro is the better choice. If you're an active or advanced investor who wants powerful tools and detailed market analysis, TD Ameritrade is the stronger option. For most beginners, eToro feels easier to start with, while TD Ameritrade is better for serious traders who want full control. eToro versus TD Ameritrade. Now you know which platform fits your investing style in 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing app comparisons just like this.